if you can learn to segregate your, let's say, your own life force from your identity, from your being, then you will be able to see or feel actual being, which is just existence overall. Okay, another quick one, and this one is going to be on the being of no being. The being of no being, for me, what I mean to say when I say these four words in one sentence is that the experience and the experiencer don't need to become one while going through it. Normally, let's say, wherever I am in the world, let's say I receive some bad piece of news, right? So Sarhad would receive that bad piece of news and experience it from the eyes of Sarhad. But if Sarhad lets the experience merge into who he is, for example, by feeling it 100% or absorbing it, it might become difficult to manage or difficult to handle it or difficult to learn how to go through it. Which, if you can be Sarhad without being Sarhad, that would not happen. And I'll tell you how. Again, I'm sure people have spoken about this kind of stuff before, but like, if I receive a bad piece of news and I experience it as the person that I am, Sarhad, but at that time realize I'm more than just Sarhad, right? Because that is a body and a identity and a ego, obviously, and a bunch of those things, right? So from that particular vantage point of these two eyes, shit looks bad, sad, hurts. But if I can pull myself out of here, you know, this is just one perspective into this entire world. There is another perspective which is shared by you as well as me if we simply take ourselves out and look at everything top down, that we are like, because I have the same life force that the person watching this would be having. There is no Sarhad versus XYZ. There is no comparison or differentiation. There is just life. There is Pran. And we are a Jeev, for example. We are a Jiva. We are in the form of a being. So while having a presence on this plane of existence, if we are in the form of a being, that is all right to be the set of binoculars to view the world with or to experience it through that. But don't let the binocular vision be the only one. Because if you can learn to segregate your, let's say, your own life force from your identity, from your being, then you will be able to see or feel actual being, which is just existence overall, of which you are as integral to existence as the experience happening to you, as well as both of you are significant and non-significant at the same time, because you hold exactly the same value as everything else, which could either be null or infinity. We don't know that level of shit yet, but we just know that if something bad happens and it comes across my way, I don't have to be that now, just because that is what is happening to me right now. Today doesn't define totality. Certain people would know where this comes from. So the being of no being, for me, basically means that I don't have to be the sadness when it comes. I don't have to be the failure when it comes. I don't have to be the loss when it occurs. I can experience it. I can feel it. I can ride through it with those binocular, with that binocular vision, with that particular perspective of this set of eyes. But truth be told, the way this set of eyes is experiencing life is not the actual experience of life, which is, let's say,